Hey guys, we are earlier. Welcome back to this week video. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you are safe and healthy. In today's video, we are going to install and run Kali Linux in Windows machine, not in virtual machine, but like in Windows application. You can literally download Kali Linux system from Windows Store as an application. Great, right? So in this video I will show you how to enable and run WSL2 in our Windows machine. WSL2 means Windows subsystem for Linux 2 is necessary to run any Linux system in Windows machine. WSL2 is obviously better than WSL1 because WSL2 provide full Linux kernel features, so we're gonna need to update WSL to WSL2. And once we install Kali Linux in our Windows machine, we are also going to set up a GUI of Kali Linux. So let's get started. To update to WSL2, we must meet the following criteria: running Windows 10, updated to version 2004, build 19041 or higher. You can check your Windows version by selecting the Windows logo key plus R and type winver and select OK. If you do not find updated version of 2004 or build 19041 to higher, you need to update your Windows machine. As you can see, I am good to go. Now to enable WSL, run PowerShell as administrator. And type the following command. The command will be in the description below. You can just copy and paste. Now restart your machine. In this step, we're going to install WSL, that is Windows Subsystem for Linux optional feature. Again, run PowerShell as administrator. And type the following command. Now in the next step, we're going to enable the virtual machine platform optional feature. Open PowerShell as administrator and type the following command. All this command will be available in the description below. Now restart your machine. Now we need to download Linux kernel to update the kernel package for WSL2. Go to this link. The link will be available in the description below. Download the latest kernel package and install on your device. Once this process are completed, we need to set the default to WSL2. Open PowerShell as administrator and type the following command. Do not close PowerShell for now, let's minimize it. Now it's time to get Kali from our app store. We can install Kali Linux as an app. Just go to store and search for Kali Linux, install it and launch. Once we install and launch Kali Linux, we need to set up our Kali. Enter your username and password. Let's check the OS version. But where is the GUI I was talking about? So let's build GUI. In your Kali machine, we need to update and upgrade everything first. Just type the command. Now install the desktop environment. While this installation process is going on, let's check the version. Verify that you are using WSL version 2. In PowerShell, type this command. Once the desktop environment is installed, we need to install XRDP. Now we are good to go. We just need to remove this and we have our Kali GUI. First, we need our IP address. Just type IP8 and you will get your IP address. Once you get that, go to the start and type remote desktop. Just write your IP address. Put your login info. There we go. We have successfully installed Kali Linux in our Windows machine using Windows Software for Linux version 2. It lacks many applications, but we can download everything we need, right? So let's see if it works. Let's install a tool and see how it goes. As you can see, we can now use our Kali machine. So that's it for this video. But one important note. This video was made before the release of Kali version 2020.3, which have awesome feature of getting in GUI without remote desktop connection, and I will show you how you can get GUI without remote desktop in our new Kali 2020.3 in our next video. So till then, goodbye, peace.